Hello everyone, I'm Dathan. As the founder of Trident Energy Systems and inventor of Trident Fuels, I'm thrilled to finally get the chance to tell you about some of the amazing things we're accomplishing at Trident Energy Systems. There are a lot of reasons to consider new solutions to the fuels we use. Environmental reasons are of course on the top of the list, but there are a lot more reasons too. I'm definitely excited for all the innovation in the energy space, and we're trying to do our part and think we have something worthwhile to add. We are changing the way we look at fuel and energy with Trident Energy Systems, and I'm so excited for the progress we're making. With our compact on-site and on-demand fueling stations that produce hydrogen-based fuels from water and air, we are solving some of the biggest problems with safety, cost, and availability that have thus far limited the growth in clean energy. So what are we doing different? Well, how about hydrogen fuels that don't need to be cryogenically cooled or stored at thousands of PSI? Fuels that don't need to be stored in massive tanks because they're produced on demand. Fuels that have a better safety record than fossil fuels or hydrogen gas and have been widely used globally for just as long. How about fuels that emit no greenhouse gases, heavy metals, or other environmentally hazardous emissions? Our fuels do all of these things, and best of all, we are delivering them in the most cost-effective way possible. Stop thinking that you need to buy fuel as a product with tons of added costs built in all along the supply chain. With our on-site and on-demand production, you can produce all the fuel you need at cost. You're not buying the fuel from us. You're using the production equipment and making your own fuel, which leads to massive energy and cost savings to you. When energy costs less, that leaves more resources for the rest of our economy to do more. Let's do more and be more prosperous together. Let's start with a brief overview of who we are. At Trident Energy Systems, our mission is to revolutionize the energy landscape by producing proprietary hydrogen-based synthetic fuels and gaseous hydrogen. Our cutting-edge technology utilizes high-efficiency, high-pressure electrolysis to transform air and water into completely green fuels where and when you need it. Why hydrogen, you might ask? Hydrogen is a clean, versatile energy carrier with the potential to reshape our energy future. It can be produced without emitting harmful greenhouse gases and serves as a key player in achieving a sustainable low-carbon economy. At Trident, we're proud to introduce an innovative approach to hydrogen fuels production. Our advanced high-pressure electrolysis not only ensures efficiency, but also allows us to harness the power of air and water to create green fuels, contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. Our technology enables the production of hydrogen-based synthetic fuels that are not only environmentally friendly, but also have the potential to replace traditional fossil fuels. They do this by creating patent-pending, energy-dense, low-cost liquid fuels that don't need to be cryogenically stored like liquid hydrogen or compressed to 10,000 psi like gaseous hydrogen, and can be used for a wide variety of purposes, including ground transportation, aviation, and stationary applications like grid storage. This is a significant step towards a more sustainable and eco-conscious future. Now let me take you through our process. We start with high-pressure electrolysis, breaking down water into hydrogen and oxygen. By pressurizing the water prior to electrolysis, we cram energy into the water molecule, making the electricity required to create hydrogen extremely minimal. The magic happens when we combine this hydrogen with carbon dioxide and nitrogen captured from the air, resulting in the creation of clean synthetic fuels. The benefits of our technology are many. We reduce carbon emissions, enhance energy security, and provide a scalable solution for a variety of applications, from transportation to industrial processes. Trident Energy Systems is at the forefront of driving positive change. We're not just about producing clean energy at Trident Energy Systems. We endeavor to transform industries. Our technology is applicable in multiple sectors, including consumer and commercial ground transportation, all types of shipping, and aviation. Not only can our hydrogen fuel power vehicles, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and significantly cutting down emissions, but our technology aids in grid stability by storing renewable energy and returning it back to the grid on demand. This is called grid leveling. In manufacturing and industrial processes, we can provide green hydrogen and fuels to help businesses operate sustainably, minimizing their carbon footprint. Trident solutions are not just versatile, they're revolutionary, paving the way for a greener future across all industries. Let's talk about another exciting aspect of our innovations, electric vehicle conversions. At Trident Energy Systems, we're not just focused on producing green fuels, we're also at the forefront of transforming the electric vehicle landscape. With millions of electric vehicles on the road across the United States, there is a gigantic looming question about how we should deal with the batteries of these vehicles as they degrade over their lifespan. Currently, it's still more expensive to recycle these batteries than to replace them. And so we've developed cutting-edge technology that allows us to convert these battery electric vehicles into fuel cell electric vehicles with our groundbreaking fuel cell that runs on Trident liquid fuels. With this battery modification and vehicle conversion, we're adding capability in terms of range, eliminating risks of battery fires, increasing safety with significant weight reduction, extending these vehicles' lives, and eliminating the massive environmental damage these vehicle batteries will inflict. What does this mean? It means we're bridging the gap between electric and hydrogen technologies, offering a dual power solution for passenger and commercial vehicles. Look at the estimated weight and performance comparison between a Tesla Model S and a Trident-fueled Tesla Model S, for example. With a 3 times increase in range and a 500-pound reduction in weight, the Tesla becomes even more spectacular than it already is. Not only that, but you'll gain the ability to refuel in minutes rather than hours. For the average driver, that means they'll fill up their fuel tank only once per month. The difference becomes even more stark when you look at larger vehicles and trucks. Look at the estimated range increase of a Hummer EV going from just over 300 miles to nearly 3,000, while also reducing weight by 2,000 pounds. With our unique conversion process, these vehicles can still be charged conventionally, just like regular electric vehicles. However, the game changer is that they can now also be fueled by Trident low pressure, ambient temperature, liquid hydrogen-based fuels, providing an additional source of clean, cheap, and efficient energy. Imagine the flexibility. The same vehicle that can be charged overnight can also be fueled with hydrogen for extended range and rapid refueling. It's a fusion of technologies that maximizes efficiency and minimizes environmental impact. Now, for those of you like me who love our traditional combustion engine vehicles, let's talk about how Trident Energy Systems is breathing new life into these vehicles through our innovative conversion technology and some of the unique capabilities of Trident liquid fuels. With a simple fuel system upgrade, we're enabling internal combustion vehicles to not only retain their ability to run on traditional fossil fuels, but also gain the ability to run exclusively or in combination with Trident liquid fuels made from water and air. Imagine keeping all the functionality of your existing vehicle while expanding its capabilities. Our conversion technology ensures that your car can seamlessly transition between traditional fossil fuels and our sustainable liquid Trident fuels. With this upgrade, you have the flexibility to choose the fuel that best suits your needs, whether it's traditional gasoline, Trident synthetic fuels, or a combination of both. Our dual fuel system not only enhances efficiency, but also provides a transitional step towards a greener future. You have the option to reduce your carbon footprint without compromising on the convenience of traditional fueling stations, and you don't have to wait for car manufacturers to start making new cars that are Trident fuel capable. Our Trident Energy Systems team is dedicated to offering solutions that make sustainable choices accessible to everyone, and our internal combustion vehicle conversions are a prime example of that commitment. As a result, we offer the widest variety of upgradability for these vehicles, ranging from the mild to the wild. We can do as little as a fuel system upgrade or as much as a full race car build, with custom engineering and hand-built, blueprinted engines, or anything in between. Take a look at the performance comparison between our 981 Cayman S demonstration vehicle running on Trident fuels and a new 2024 Porsche GT4 RS. Most people won't need 1,800 horsepower in their vehicle, but it's good to know that with our fuel, the possibilities are endless. By converting internal combustion vehicles to run on Trident liquid fuels, we also contribute to a significant reduction in carbon emissions. It's a step towards aligning the automotive industry with our collective environmental goals. Now let's take a look at the vehicle lifecycle carbon emissions comparison. Notice that the Trident-fueled electric and combustion vehicle lifecycle emissions are now cut to roughly 1/3 of their combustion and electric vehicle counterparts. Imagine driving a vehicle that not only suits your lifestyle, but also minimizes its impact on the environment. Trident Energy Systems makes that vision a reality. The advantages of these conversions are numerous. We're not only enhancing the versatility of electric and combustion engine vehicles, but also addressing some of the common challenges such as charging infrastructure, environmental impact, and range limitations. Our converted vehicles offer the best of both worlds for both electric and internal combustion vehicles. At Trident Energy Systems, our commitment to sustainable transportation goes beyond just producing green fuels. We are actively shaping the future of mobility by providing practical and eco-conscious solutions. and our converted vehicles are a testament to that commitment. We're also taking advantage of many of Trident Fuel's unique capabilities to provide a hydrogen-based fuel for aviation that delivers on the performance, safety, and cost requirements of today's military and airlines, as well as making a carbon-free aviation future possible. Guilt-free aviation is now within our reach, and we're excited to be working to bring that to all aircraft soon. Whether you're a commuter, a fleet operator, or a delivery service, our conversions offer an opportunity to be part of a cleaner and more sustainable transportation ecosystem. Next, we can address some of the concerns often associated with hydrogen as a fuel: safety, cost, and availability. At Trident Energy Systems, we've developed innovative solutions to tackle these challenges head-on. Concerns about safety are understandable, and that's why our on-site and on-demand hydrogen fueling stations are engineered with cutting-edge safety features. Safety is our top priority, and our technology ensures that hydrogen is produced and dispensed securely. Our proprietary on-demand fueling stations are a game changer for hydrogen fuels. They incorporate high-efficiency electrolysis technology, previously exclusive to the US military. This not only ensures a compact, cost-effective, and efficient method of hydrogen generation, but also addresses concerns about storage, as we produce hydrogen only when it's required, eliminating requirements for massive storage installations. This increases safety and enhances operational flexibility. With our modular design, we can achieve high-volume production, boasting efficiencies that surpass traditional methods. The compact design allows us to increase overall fuel output capability without expanding the station footprint. This is an industry first, and something our competitors can't boast. Our modular design enables us to increase fuel output capability significantly, providing up to 5 times more production than competitors without expanding the station size. Additionally, our multi-point refueling system allows us to increase fuel rates by double or quadruple compared to competitor systems. This is a game changer for commercial customers who need to fuel multiple vehicles quickly or large aircraft. Another important distinction to discuss is our unique business model. We sell our fuel at cost to our members through a fractional ownership model, meaning you get your fuel for what it costs to make it. This guarantees our customers always receive fuel at the lowest cost available. It eliminates all the expenses involved with storage and distribution, and most or all of the taxes, because you don't pay tax on fuel when you make it yourself for your own use. The network access membership covers our operational and maintenance costs for the fueling station network and ensures our fueling network is always cutting edge and operational. We believe in transparency and ensuring that our customers benefit from the most cost-effective and sustainable fuel options available. We want to ensure that the transition to our groundbreaking Trident fuels is as rapid and efficient as possible, because we know how important it is to make the hydrogen economy we've all dreamed about finally a reality. As we look ahead, Trident Energy Systems is working to build an ever-expanding nationwide fueling station network. With over 1,000 new stations planned, our goal is to provide accessible, quick fueling and to ensure that no matter where you are, you have access to truly green hydrogen and Trident synthetic fuels. With that commitment in mind, let's explore how Trident Energy Systems is bringing the future of sustainable energy directly to your doorstep with our innovative home fuel production system. Imagine a unit about the size of your air conditioner. This compact marvel uses water, air, and electricity to produce fuel right at home, providing a quick and convenient solution for your vehicle's fuel needs. But here's the game changer. This unit can produce fuel for various vehicles. Whether you have a converted battery electric vehicle, a converted internal combustion vehicle, or a fuel cell electric vehicle, our system delivers the fuel you need, all made from water and air. And the best part? Your fractional ownership of your network pays for your maintenance and upgrades of your equipment over time. Not only do you get your fuel at cost, but there are no additional costs or taxes involved, building a whole new paradigm for energy. If you already have rooftop solar, for example, your fuel cost will be practically zero and your carbon footprint to match. Adding an optional small at-home storage tank opens up new possibilities. You can take advantage of making fuel during times of the day or night when the power is cheapest, maximizing cost savings for your household. But that's not all. Our system can also be used in reverse to generate electricity. In the event of a power outage, disaster, or disruption, you'll never be without power. Trident Energy Systems ensures you have a reliable source of energy at your fingertips. You can also use it to feed energy back into the grid, to take advantage of the maximum credits when electricity rates are the highest, ensuring even more value from your Trident Fuel at-home system. This innovative way of utilizing and storing energy with Trident Fuels and Trident Energy Systems means your fuel and energy costs can be reduced by up to 70%. Imagine the financial savings, coupled with the satisfaction of contributing to a cleaner environment. Imagine if we delivered 70% of energy costs back into the hands of the majority of Americans, and how much more productive we'd all be as a nation. By empowering individuals to be energy independent, we're not just changing the way we fuel our vehicles, we're transforming how we power our homes and our lives for a healthier relationship with energy. As we wrap up this exploration of Trident Energy Systems' revolutionary technologies, I want to thank you for being part of this journey toward a more sustainable system. Our commitment to provide solutions that empower individuals and communities is our driving force. Whether it's through fueling stations, home fuel production, or vehicle conversions, we're pioneering a future where sustainability and innovation coexist. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, do not hesitate to reach out. And if you're ready to join the team fighting for a cleaner and more prosperous future, then please consider a Trident Energy Systems membership today. We'd love to have you with us. Together, we'll pave the way for a cleaner, greener, and more prosperous world.